Welcome to an enlightening journey through the world of makeup tailored to combat excess oil. The Makeup for Oily Skin, Shine-Free Tips tutorial. This comprehensive guide is your passport to mastering the art of achieving a flawless, matte complexion that remains impeccable throughout the day. Whether you're someone with oily skin looking to refine your makeup routine or seeking strategies to manage shine, this video is your guiding light to navigating the world of makeup curated specifically for oily skin with confidence and expertise. The Makeup for Oily Skin, Shine-Free Tips tutorial celebrates the transformative power of makeup to control oil and enhance your natural beauty. It's an exploration of the techniques and product selection that enable you to attain a matte and fresh look, even when faced with the challenges of oily skin. Within this guide, we unlock the secrets behind achieving a flawless makeup application that defies the effects of excess oil. At the core of this tutorial lies the art of understanding your skin's unique characteristics and the science behind managing oil production. We delve into the nuances of skincare preparation, revealing how to create a balanced canvas that minimizes shine and maximizes the longevity of your makeup. Furthermore, we navigate the realm of makeup application, demonstrating how to choose the right products and employ techniques that combat shine and create a luminous matte finish. Techniques are the stars of the Makeup for Oily Skin, Shine-Free Tips tutorial, as we guide you through a step-by-step journey of application mastery. With precision and expertise, we unveil the power of oil-absorbing primers, long-lasting foundations, and setting powders that work in harmony to control excess oil, ensuring your makeup remains impeccable all day long. Whether you're aiming for a natural daytime look or a bold evening statement, each technique equips you with the skills to achieve a shine-free complexion. Yet, this tutorial reaches beyond the surface. It's about adapting these techniques to your unique skin needs and personal preferences. We encourage you to experiment, blend, and customize the makeup routine to reflect your individual style, allowing your innate beauty to shine through. Ultimately, the Makeup for Oily Skin, Shine-Free Tips tutorial empowers you to perceive makeup as a tool to conquer oil and radiate confidence. It's a testament to the fact that, armed with the right techniques, you can confidently face the day with a shine-free complexion that exudes grace and allure. With the knowledge of shine-free makeup techniques and the inspiration of makeup artistry, let's embark on this journey of managing oily skin with finesse. By the tutorial's conclusion, you'll not only have mastered the intricacies of creating a matte makeup look but also gained a profound understanding of how to combat shine and enhance your natural beauty. With heartfelt appreciation for joining us on this exploration of makeup for oily skin, let's seamlessly transition into the world of Makeup for Oily Skin, Shine-Free Tips, a world where technique blends harmoniously with confidence to create a look that's as impeccable as it is uniquely you.